ApeCoin, guys, currently trading at $7.62, market cap of $2.2 billion, ranked number 33 on the list. Now, where you guys want to find this cryptocurrency? They're on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange, Huobi Global, Gate.io, FTX, let's see, Bybit, Gemini, Kraken. So pretty much almost every single platform. It is in the top 100, guys. Now, when it comes to this cryptocurrency, please check out their website before jumping into a crypto. Read their white paper, read what it does, understand what this cryptocurrency is before jumping in. Let's hit that news, guys. So this cryptocurrency, it has 372,000 followers, coming out with some new stuff. Let's see, this is March 24th, just pinned May 24th. So they have a lot of stuff. So all you gotta do, guys, if you guys want some updated information, check out their Twitter page. But what I really like, let's get into that price prediction, guys.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
So ApeCoin has been, taking some pain, like most cryptocurrencies out there. This thing was sitting at a high of, let's see, $27.78, but now sitting down at $7.59. So what to do now? So for me, guys, let's examine what happened. One, it made a huge, massive rally. Next bar down, next couple bar down, they're really red, really big. So there's a lot of people obviously exiting their position. Now people try to buy into the rally, buy, and now it's down. A lot of people are probably dollar cost averaging. So, and it's slowing down a little bit. See this doji right here, and this possibly could be ended up as the doji for the daily. But for me, once again, I'm a very patient trader. I trade most things that I do when it comes to cryptocurrencies. I don't really do cash positions, sometimes. But for this one, guys, when it comes to this point right here, I like to see that these 2 points pushed up, but I want to see a double bottom. Now this thing broke this bottom right here. It broke the support. I want to see that if it creates a double bottom. So if it does go down to the $5.61, say $5.61, that's my price prediction. If it hits this low right here, okay. Oh, give me a second. Where's the arrow at? If it hits this low right here, guys, then for me, I would be more interested in looking for it to bounce off that to push back higher. And if it does something like that, then I would be entering on a buy stop if it hits this low. I don't want to get on a buy limit because it might head down lower. And we all know that cryptocurrencies can keep dipping and keep going lower and lower and lower. I would like to get into the trend as more buyers get into it. I instead of getting the whole 100%, I like 60%. I like the chunk, and that's usually how I trade. I don't trade to get the whole thing. I just get so if it was me trading this, it would be like getting into this candle here and just taking a little bit from here to here, not the whole thing. And I would bet if I was shorting this, because I just saw this cryptocurrency, want to break down what I thought and get some input in the comment section below. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are about ApeCoin. If you guys are using it, using the platform, just tell me about it. But besides that, guys, I do see it possibly going down lower to $5.60, say $5.60 in price prediction. I wouldn't do a buy limit. For me, I'll do a buy stop above these highs. So if it does bounce down, engages a lot of people's orders, it might spike down lower, taking people out, and then head it back higher. And that's what I would be looking at getting back into this, or getting into this cryptocurrency. But just tell me what you guys' thoughts are, guys. What are your guys' thoughts about ApeCoin if you're using this cryptocurrency? But let's get to my website, guys, AndreJMcClellan.com. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, precious metals, the economy, just check out my website. If you want to book a session with myself, with me, just go down here. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are about this crypto, and I'll see you guys in the next video.